Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to effectively fix the problem with NBA 2K24 crashing on your PC whenever you launch a game. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the reason that this may be happening in the first place, normally, or I should say usually, it has to do with admin privileges or the permissions on your computer. And to fix this problem is quite easy. You guys would just want to go to the install directory for your NBA game. So I actually don't have it, but I'll show you just how to do it anyway. So let's go to the store page for NBA. So if I do NBA 2K24. So it's this game right here, as you can see. So once you guys go to your store page, and let's say that you've bought the game, it's not launching, you'd want to opt to go to your games library. So it's this tab right here. Click on home, and under the installed games, it's usually the ones that are highlighted. So let's pretend that this is actually NBA. You guys would want to right click, go to properties, and if it's not launching or it keeps crashing, one thing you can try is verifying the game file integrity. And to do so, you guys would want to click on installed files and click on this third, or I should say fourth option right here, being verify integrity of game files. So this may actually take a while considering NBA 2K24 is actually a heavy game, but this would normally fix the problem with crashing. Now, if that still doesn't work, then it may have to do with your computer's permission settings. And to fix it, you guys would want to click on Browse right here to go to your game files directory. And then you would want to look for the launcher. So let's actually do this one right here. Let's do binaries 164. Okay, so this one is Arc. Let's pretend this is NBA. So you basically want to look for the game launcher for NBA. Right click on it, go to properties, and you'll be met with 6 different tabs being general, compatibility, digital signatures, security, details, and previous versions. So from here, you would want to select compatibility, and you would want to click on the option that says change settings for all users, the one with the shield icon, and make sure that this option right here, run this program as an administrator, is ticked. So you want to make sure it's checked. Click apply, OK, click OK again, then close out of the window, and that should fix the problem, and you guys should be good to go. And if that still doesn't work, another thing that you guys can try as a last resort is to reinstall the game. So yeah, hopefully any of these troubleshooting methods work for you guys, and if it helped you out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.